Hey everybody, my name is Randy Silver. This is Leap of Fate, of course, and I'm going to show you the smoothies I make on a daily basis. I just worked out, so this is going to be a great meal replacement, get protein powder in. What do I use? First thing I use, chocolate milk. I know this is not the healthiest. I should use silk milk or something like that. I'm a chocolate milk fiend. Because I work out enough, I burn a bunch of calories. This is my guilty pleasure. It's okay to use guilty pleasures as long as you moderate. I got spinach. This is for your metabolism, so that way it rejuvenates. Very good to throw in there, get those green. I got blueberries and blackberries. Usually have strawberries, but I'm out right now. Also usually have bananas, I'm out too. Honey, of course, organic, sweet honey. And then whey protein, rebuild, build muscle. All that together, I make my smoothie, it's delicious. And then I'll eat my meal, usually like a piece of fish, chicken, a couple hours later. Let's go ahead and make it. Cheers! So good! Oh my God, I love it. I love making these. If you ever meet my family, I've been making these since I was in high school. They're just so good, replenishes your muscles, replenishes the antioxidants in your body, replenishes the nutrients. So if you haven't started making these shakes, these smoothies, really do it. It's a great way to get everything you need, all the vitamins, all the antioxidants, all the health that you need to put in your body on a daily basis. I will be full for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'll eat something clean, very healthy, and that's how you can stay and work on your diet, nutrition, feel better, have more energy in the day. This is the Leap of Fate. Go ahead and subscribe here for more videos around health, wellness, everything like that. Looking forward to the next one. Deuces!